Kraksalo Tripura Hasteni Kaibwrwi Amchaio Karwibo Delhi Hariyana te Kolkata ni Dalbidal Amchaio Red Khlaikha Enforcement Department Pabitra korni Bubainasa Utpal Chowdhuryni money laundering case on Naitukmungo wngkhorwi Manjakha Tripura Hasteni Dalbidal Departmentni State Ministry of Home Affairs ni fake ID te case Rangpuisa Kolkata haste Utpal Chowdhuryni mungwi kwbangma affair khlaijakmani yagulo Naitukmungo wngkhormani haktor hapangni Enforcement Department Kraksalo haste police no kasangmani muktrio tone asumsa hasteni Kaibwrwi Amchaio waisabai kaisa jorao red khlaimani Enforcement Department asalo puila khoirpuni Pabitra korni Bubainasa Utpal Chowdhuryni Nogo red khlaikha ID abon yagulo Utpal Chowdhuryni Bakrabari Nolchorni ex bank manager Haradon Boido Badargani Mihir Debnate Edi Nogorni Sorobonikni Nogo red khlaimani ID ni ozamaro asalo ID ni ozamaro no naimuthang Central Paramilitary Force Naitukmungo Utpal Chowdhuryni Bakrabari te khoirpuni Nogo Manjakha kwbangma digital and physical evidence Naitukmungo ID Saimanka Chayalama te Rangpuisa ajinani bagai kwbangma NGO te motha sinamoi tisamani Utpal Chowdhury aborok hapangni PSU eba public sector unit by Gosalo Snamjak unit haike Higher Education Tripura British and Group Company te Directorate of Affairs Council of India Mungoi NGO Snamka Utpal Chowdhury abo tongko somlukorokno thokai Rangpuisa investment khlairi manani bagai Utpal Chowdhury saksangno Indian government ni kusuk naikol phanghanai sinumung roi hafangni fake document by ke kisase company rokno thokai agreement khlaika Utpal awo hagino bo saksangno haste rungbe de kusuk tagi phanghanai sinumung roi kwbangma private rungbe tekno thokai Rangpuisa naharka kisase borok rokno school ni diporni chamni tender manai hini thokai Rangpuisa naharmani bo koksil samung tongo srangsal sarigo kaisa press release ni bisingtui awa hinino oktomarakha Enforcement Department ED press release abai sajaka MS Jalda khali somiji seba songo mungoi kaisa NGO bo bini yafo khlaina harka Utpal Chowdhury a NGO Foreign Contribution Regulation Act by register khlaija a NGO ni mungoi Dalbidal bank account phogoi money laundering ni samung khlaika Utpal Jalda khali somiji seba songo ni mungoi ingya hanpano rubber business khlaimani phunogoi 200 crore rangni kwbangma Hariyana Kolkata te Delhi te Rangpuisa laundering khlaika Fiaba physically rubber business khlaimani kaisa proof mandia idini ozamaro abono Karwibo tebo wanama singsa koktoma wngkha Utpal Chowdhury keso Naitukmungo wngkhorwi Utpal Chowdhury bai Tripura hapangni kisase kusuk ozamarokni kaham halok tongmani proof mankha idi abo haike hapangni okusuk ozamarok Utpal Chowdhuryni thani Rangpuisa naharmani bo idini thani kasoi phaika mangpili Kraksalni Naitukmungo Utpal Chowdhuryni Bakrabari te bihik tongmani Nogo Manjakha Tripura Hasteni Dalbidal Departmentni State Ministry of Home Affairs ni fake ID te case Rangpuisa including Food, Civil, Suppliers and Consumer Affairs Department, Director of Higher Education, Director of Elementary Education ni cell STEM te hubun PSUS abo haike bangma document rokbo mankha Manjakha 7 lakh cash rang te 60 lakh ni bank account no freeze khlai rakha idi Tripura Hasteni Dalbidal Amchaio real estate te land paithani bo investment khlaimani bahai mankha idini kusuk ozamaro Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.